guys, so this is the first video I actually planned. So getting into it, I'm just going to talk about my skin. This is basically how I get rid of most of my acne. Disclaimer, my skin is not perfect. You can obviously see it. There's no makeup on my face right now. There's still some breakouts, but this is what's been really helping my skin. And from the thumbnail, you can obviously see my skin got a lot better in the previous, I would say that picture was taken around 5 months ago. So this is 5 months of waiting. So I'm gonna just jump in right into my tips. Before I get started, I'm gonna talk about my skin type. My skin type is a combination skin, so that means that my skin is oily and dry. So I feel like I can talk about oily skin types and dry skin types and what worked for some areas of my skin and what didn't. So I'll get into what is best for dry skin, what's best for oily skin. So let's just jump right into it. The product I use is tea tree oil. Now tea tree oil is something I would recommend for oily skin types, since if you have dry skin types, I would definitely use tea tree with some type of moisturizer, since tea tree can burn your skin, and I did use it on a dry part of my skin, which is usually my chin, and when I did use it, I kind of got a burnt mark. So especially if you have dry skin, it really does work. I know it does, but make sure you use moisturizer with it, or else you can end up with the burns or a really dry area of skin. Oily skin is perfect. Can you not? Tea tree oil is only $10 to $20 depending on where you get it from. The next product I use helped so much with my skin. I've been using it for only a couple of weeks. So I've actually only been using it for a week, and it's probably helped my skin so much. It's insane. It's from Young Living. It's an oil company. It was around $26. Very useful, very helpful. It comes in this little tube. I use it every single night, and I sometimes use it in the morning depending on how I'm feeling. But it really helped my skin, and I'll put a link in the description if you want to get it, or tea tree oil if you want to get either or. I have a link in the description. Click it and get it. It helps so much. You don't even know. If you're looking for natural products, this is a place to go for natural products for your skin. They have so many acne treatments types thing. Again, the best one I probably used. My next one is my prescribed acne treatment. It's this, cannot say the name for it for my life, so I'll put it somewhere over here. But basically you're supposed to use it every night, which I do sometimes. Ever since I got the other Young Living stuff, I've been not using it. But this was $300. That is correct. If you have health insurance or whatever, I don't really know, it should be less, but I know we paid $300 for this little tiny bottle that didn't really see a result. I saw a result over a 3-month period of time, but I'm telling you, with the other natural products, I saw results in probably a couple days. Another prescribed thing I got is birth control pills. Now, birth control pills are not just for preventing you from having babies, they are also preventing you from having acne, and helps. There's a lot of benefits to birth control pills, and I would definitely talk it over with your parents and your doctor if it's right for you. But I am on birth control for my face because and I've seen a difference, especially when I use it constantly. Sometimes I forget days and blah blah blah, and it's really bad. And my skin, whenever I'm off of it because I forget, my skin starts so. Just go outside. The sun, whenever I go to the beach, or whenever you go to the beach, you should see a drastic change in your skin because of the sun. You're staying out in the sun all day, so that means your skin will get better. So just go outside, spend an hour a day outside. In the summer, I see my skin get so much better than in the winter, and it's because of the sun. So yes, sun does help with acne. I know you're not gonna do it, because trust me, I don't do it that often, but I just went to the beach and my skin is kind of looking better. I haven't really gone outside that much when I was at the beach, but it really does help your skin. Definitely do think about it. Just go outside, you dummy. Now here's the thing. every acne video I saw, it was always like, you
shouldn't wear makeup, it's gonna clog your pores.
Okay, no, you need that confidence when you especially have acne. It's something that I went through, that I wanted to wear makeup, and I found one of the best. I know I have it right here. Ooh, it was open. Oh no, my white sheets. Oh no, it was open. Okay, but this is Clinique. It's a full coverage foundation and conceal. Let me see if I can find the name of it. Beyond Perfecting Concealer. Concealer and foundation. I'm not gonna put it on my face because this is not my color, but this covers up literally anything. It is super full coverage. It's a concealer and foundation. This is what has helped me through my acne years. It's perfect. It's literally perfect for acne. Oh my god, it's great. Trust me, try it. It covers everything. Super full coverage. Definitely recommend it if you have hardcore acne going on. Now, this is also a crucial step. If you are wearing makeup, make sure you take that sheet off, because it will clog your pores. So make sure you take it completely off before you go to bed. And trust me, I know it's a hard step, but I've made it easier. Instead of washing your face, wouldn't you just want to roll over and take it off with a makeup wipe or something? Now, the best form of makeup wipes, this is the best literally makeup remover I've ever used. I literally use this. You can get it at CVS. It's like $15, maybe $12, somewhere around that price range, no matter where you get it. I know at Sam's Club it's like a little bit less expensive, and it comes in 2, but like at CVS it's like $12 per bottle. But I basically get these round things, whatever you call them, from Primark. They're 75 cents. And I get this from like CVS, $12. I think it's a little cloudy because I've been shaking it. But it's miracle whatever cleansing water. It's so good. It takes off any dirt. Like, even if you're not wearing makeup, I would recommend you using it, because it literally saved my life. I noticed a huge difference in this, instead of like when I use like regular makeup wipe removers or when I use this. I literally I'm pretty sure I did an experiment with 1 week I used like regular makeup wipes, and another week I used this, and this works so much better. It takes off everything. It's just like washing your face. When I went to the skin doctor, I totally forgot what they're called. They said that they recommended this, so definitely try this. Give it a try. It's like one of my holy grail products other than the Young Living product, but you literally just take it, squeeze till like that, and you rub it, and that's all you do. I literally have no makeup on right now, and it's gonna take off so much dirt. Like, watch. It's so simple, and my skin after I use it feels actually so hydrated. It's so nice. Okay. Literally, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it took off something. It's really good. Good for all skin types. It works well for all of my skin, so that's how I know it's good for all skin types. My acne years, it's literally been years. I've had acne ever since I was 13. I'm 16 now. I think I had it since I was 12. I'm 12 or 13. It's been years. I know it's been years. And it really sucks so much. And this is the products that really do help with me, and these are the tips that really do help me. Hopefully it helps you too, because I know how much acne sucks. I said it like 5 times. But literally, I can go on and on and on. But here's the thing. Acne does not make you ugly, okay? It's just a thing on your face that everyone goes through. I really needed to hear this when I was like young and like crying in my room because I had acne. Acne does not make you ugly, okay? It's just a thing that everyone goes through with puberty, and there are ways to fix it if you actually do try. So please be patient too. If you're using any of these, it does take time. I know that's one thing that I really needed to hear. It takes time. You're not gonna see results overnight. I did see results with the Young Living stuff, but that might be because I was using other stuff too. It could be the birth control pills that were finally kicking in. It could have been anything. Hopefully you guys try out these tips. Let me know if it works for you. I'll link everything that I can in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know how much it sucks, but trust me, you'll get through it just like I did. See you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, please.